Hey guys, what's going on? It's Sam here. In today's video, I'm going to be taking off the front bumper and the broken headlight to get a better look at the damage, and I'm going to be cleaning out all the old trash that was left from the old owner. So I'm not going to be taking off the hood today because I don't have a replacement and I don't want any water to be getting in the engine if it rains, but I can definitely take off this broken headlight right here and this bumper. And I'm not going to do the fender either right now, but that'll definitely be done in another video. So I'm going to go into a time lapse right now of me removing the bumper and the driver headlight. All right, now that I got those off, I can get a better look at the damage. So for this bumper, I don't think anything on it is really salvageable except maybe the horns on the back, but I think I'm just gonna throw out this bumper. But for the headlight, obviously the front of it is fucked up. But for the headlight, obviously the front of it is pretty messed up. You can see there's pieces of it all over the place, but I think I might be able to still salvage the xenon ballast, like the module that's on the back, so we'll see about that. As for the car itself, you can see a better look at the radiator support here. It's obviously pretty bent. Obviously you're going to need a new one of those. We're going to need some new headlight brackets. Going to need a new air duct right here because, as you can see, it is cracked, but it doesn't appear that there's any damage. Oh, it looks like there's a hole in the air box. I didn't see that before, so we're gonna need a new air box. But expansion tank appears to be good. Radiator appears to be good. So that's definitely great news. And it doesn't look like there's any suspension damage behind this wheel. So overall, it's definitely good news. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the trunk. So the battery on this car is dead, so I'm gonna go ahead and swap the battery from my 330ci that I drive every day. And now that the bumper's off, the horns aren't gonna go off, so I can start the car for you guys without waking up all the neighbors. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and install the battery into the new car. All right, the battery's in. I'm gonna go ahead and try to start the car and see what happens. All right, there we go. We got power, and I'm gonna go ahead and start it. So it's definitely stuttering a little bit. We got a lot of codes, but it's running. Service engine. That's not good. All right, turn the car off. It's definitely got some weird stuff going on. I think a lot of that is probably intake related because there's a hole in the air box. It's not going to be getting proper airflow. But honestly, after starting it and leaving it running for a little while, I am a little more concerned. Let me know. I'm gonna go ahead and run the code reader on this car and see what it comes up with. If you guys have any suggestions, leave them down in the comments below, because that did not sound very good. Hey guys, that's the video for today. Sorry I couldn't do much in this video just because I don't have any replacement parts to install yet, but once that stuff starts coming in, I'm going to be putting out a lot of videos on that, so stay tuned. If you guys enjoyed the video, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below what you think of this build.